Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your training plan isn't updating after you make changes, it's usually caused by a sync issue, connection problem, or app glitch. The good news is that most plan updates issues can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the plan not updated or updating issue in Runna in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So important reality check, most updates issues are sync related. Fix usually takes under 5 minutes. No training data is lost. It works across phones and watches. So why your plan isn't updating? There are some common causes include, for example, no internet connection, app not synced properly, changes not saved, outdated app version, or temporary app glitch. So most issues are caused by sync delays. So first thing first you can do is check internet connection. So turn on Wi-Fi or mobile data, open another app or website, return to Runna. Runna needs internet to update plans. You can also open your training plan, okay, pull down to refresh and wait a few seconds. This forces a sync. You can restart the Runna app, close the Runna app completely and reopen the application again. Okay, check your training plan again. This fixes temporary glitches. Okay, you can make sure changes were saved. So go to plan settings, check your weekly runs, dates or mode, tap save if changes weren't confirmed, and save changes won't update the plan. You can also update the app itself. So open the App Store, Google Play, search for Runna and tap update if available. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.